I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup and then opening the workbook you intend to update. This protects you if anything goes wrong. Once done, check which sheet and ranges need changes and jot a short plan so you don't overwrite formulas. Make sure autosave is off if you want manual control, or confirm version history is enabled for quick recovery. Now open Excel and navigate to the target worksheet to begin the edits. You'll now apply the changes. Type or paste new data into cells and use find and replace for repetitive edits to save time. Also, adjust formulas or use flash fill to ensure consistent formatting and calculations. This maintains integrity across the sheet. If the workbook links to external data, refresh connections and confirm sources. Throughout, validate results with quick checks, look at totals and sample rows so you catch errors. Finish by recalculating and saving a new version name so the original remains available. Then close and reopen the file to ensure changes persist. Make sure totals and dependent sheets reflect updates, and lock or protect important ranges if needed. If something goes wrong, inspect formulas for #ref or #value errors, update broken links from data edit links, and look for circular references under formulas. If necessary, restore the backup and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.